let's start with it. In this video, you can get to know how to secure your smartphone or tablets by this app. So first, install this Third Eye app, which I have already installed. You can get it in Play Store, guys. So let's start. After installing, you have to open this app. After opening, you will get the general options in this. See here, intruder detection. Takes photos using front camera when someone enters wrong PIN or pattern in your lock screen. So first, you should perfectly know that you have a perfect pattern or PIN to your smartphone or tablet. I have enabled it. Guys, I have enabled it. After enabling, this window comes. Press OK and activate this app. So guys, I have activated it. So let's try with it. I'm locking my smartphone. I locked it. So let's again open it. I am writing here wrong patterns or wrong pins. So for testing and for showing you guys. See, I am entering wrong patterns. So guys, now I'll enter real pin. See guys, I have entered it. So you will get a notification of this app in your notification bar. So let's check. See guys, so it is showing that 8 wrong attempts in your lock screen is detected. Press on it. So as you saw, it took photos from using your front camera, guys. So see, it has taken the photos. So let's delete it. You can see all those photos in the option photo log. So I am deleting it all. So guys, now I'll show you another feature of this app. You can see and get to know that lock screen unlock time details, and means you can see at what time you have unlocked it and how much time you used your smartphone or tablet or others. So for this option, you have to press on unlock log. After pressing unlock log, see guys, unlock time today 10:29 AM 6 and usage time 6 minutes, and here usage time 1 minute. So as you saw guys, these were the two special features of this app. So hope you liked it and if you liked this video. So if you liked it, please press on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you guys. See you.